Which process is used to strengthen fiber and prevent shrinkage? Which fiber is derived from flax plants? What is the main component of silk? What is the process of interlacing two sets of yarn at right angles? Which dyeing method involves resist techniques using wax? What is the primary purpose of singeing in textiles? What type of fabric is made using a single yarn looped continuously? What is the unit of measurement for fabric weight? What is the primary fiber used in denim production? Which dyeing process colors the yarn before weaving?